Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Wednesday the 3rd of September. Let's start by taking a look at tomorrow's weather map, and we can see broad areas of high pressure still sitting over the eastern parts of the country, extending back through central Australia as well. That means we're likely to see cool mornings and possibly frosty starts for those parts, with generally sunny and settled daytime conditions following. We do have a cold front clearing southeastern parts of the country, bringing some showery and windy conditions there. In the west, a west coast trough is expected to bring some showers and thunderstorms to parts of southern Western Australia on our Wednesday. Let's take a state-by-state look at tomorrow's forecast now, starting with Queensland. For Queensland tomorrow, we are expecting to see morning fogs once again across those east coastal areas. A partly cloudy day will follow with the very slight chance of a few isolated light coastal showers, really bringing not too much to the rainfall gauges. Further inland, it is expected to be drier and sunnier. For Brisbane tomorrow, we are expecting a mostly sunny day and a top of 25 degrees. Down in New South Wales, the chance of morning frost through parts of the east, mainly on those western slopes of the ranges. A generally dry and sunny day will follow, apart from in the far south, where it's likely to be a little bit cloudier, and we are expecting to see a few isolated showers moving through, mainly impacting the southern slopes. We could see some windy conditions down there at times, as well as the chance of snow above 1400 metres later in the day. For Sydney tomorrow, though, we are expecting a partly cloudy day and a top of 22 degrees. Down in Canberra, partly cloudy and a top of 17 degrees. For Victoria tomorrow, a partly cloudy day across the state with showers moving through, mainly impacting areas on and south of the ranges. About the eastern ranges, we could see some windy conditions through the day, particularly later on, as well as the chance of some snow above 1300 metres later in the day. For Melbourne, though, we are expecting a few showers moving through tomorrow with a top of 18 degrees. In Tasmania tomorrow, we are expecting to see breezy, gusty conditions through the day and showers continuing as well. Those showers will be fairly isolated through the east and the southeast, but more widespread across those western parts of the state and in the north. We could also see some isolated thunderstorms and small hail about parts of the west coast through the day. Renewed river rises are possible across the northeast of the state, and it is possible that we could see snow as low as 700 metres later in the day through those northern parts of the state, down to around 500 metres across the south. For Hobart tomorrow, though, we are expecting a shower or two and a top of just 13 degrees. In South Australia tomorrow, we are expecting to see the chance of some isolated showers continuing about the southern coastal areas and the lower southeast. Rainfall totals will be on the lower side of things, but it will be a partly cloudy day in those parts. Inland, it will be drier and sunnier. For Adelaide tomorrow, we are expecting a shower or two and a top of 17 degrees. For Western Australia tomorrow, the chance of a shower or thunderstorm developing across the Gascoyne and Goldfields in particular as this west coast trough starts to deepen. Now, rainfall totals are in general not expected to be high, but this risk of showers and storms could persist through much of the day, spreading further inland. Generally, partly cloudy conditions are expected across much of Western Australia tomorrow, with warmer than average temperatures pushing in across the west coast. In the far north of the state, it will be sunnier, but temperatures will be below average for this time of year. For Perth, though, we are heading for a partly cloudy day and a top of 21 degrees. In the Northern Territory tomorrow, it will be another cool start, particularly in the south, which does mean the chance of frost once again for the Lassiter and Simpson districts. The southeasterly winds will be lingering through the day, which means the cooler than average daytime temperatures will continue too. Generally, dry and sunny conditions are expected, however. For Darwin, we are heading for a sunny top of 33 degrees. Now you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the Bomb Weather app, and via our social media. Have a great day and we'll catch you next time.